8 free wedding guest list templates. The Knot offers a template that's full of features. After you've entered your guests, you can filter by groups, keep track of RSVPs, create address labels, and even use it to write your thank you notes. Use the fields in the free Excel template from Botanical Paperworks to enter the names, addresses, and phone numbers of your guests. Style Me Pretty's template can be opened with Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, where you can enter your guests' information, save it, and print it out if you'd like. The template from Document Templates is really easy to use and has a very simple design. Zola's free wedding guest list template lets you quickly enter your guests' details such as name, address, phone number, and email. You can also easily track RSVPs through the guest list. This template from FPPT is functional and also really pretty to look at. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.